Hi everyone, I have a question here saying construct a triangle ABC where AB 6 centimeter, BC 7 centimeter and CA 8 centimeter. So I'm using a smart notebook application. This application it's in any computer in the school. Now to start with this one, I'm going to start with AB equals 6 centimeter. So I can start to choose a line and I can choose this type of thickness, let's say, and I need a ruler for sure to get the 6 centimeter, so I can move the ruler a little bit down and I start to draw or construct AB 6 centimeter. So I can ask for a line and I start from point 0 to 6 centimeter and I can move a little bit the ruler and I ask to type point A here, point B here, so I know at AB it's 6 centimeter. The second one is saying BC 7 centimeter, so in this case I can move the ruler to point B, the 0, and from this point I can rotate as I want the ruler to draw or construct BC 7 centimeter. So I'm gonna go for the line with the same thickness and I ask for BC 7 centimeter. So I go to the 7 centimeter with this way and I can move a little bit the ruler and type point C. So AB 6 centimeter, BC 7 centimeter. Now CA should be 8 centimeter, so I need to check only if it's right or not. So I can drag the 0 to point A and I can rotate the ruler and I will be surprised that the distance between A and C it's almost 4.6 centimeter, which is very far from 8 centimeter. That means I need to move the point C to another location, try it again and see till I will get 8 centimeter. And this step it can take 1 hour as a try, and this is a challenge of the problem. How can I get CA exactly 8 centimeter after drawing CB? In this case, this method is totally wrong. That's why I have to choose another way to draw it. So in this case I'm gonna remove only point C, I'm gonna remove this line and I'm gonna say from AB I have 6 centimeter, yes, I know that. I need BC 7 centimeter and I need CA 8 centimeter. That means I'm looking for a point C. That point C it's far from point B with 7 centimeter, in the same time it's far from A with 8 centimeter. In this case I have to find another tool different than the ruler, which is the compass. The compass will help me here to fix the problem. So if this point BC, which means the point C is far from B with 7 centimeter, I can draw an arc with this dimension. So I will bring the ruler, I will rotate the ruler to make it horizontal. I will bring the compass, I put the metal point over the 0 and I'm gonna do my best to get the 7 centimeter as a distance. Now if I have this opening as 7 centimeter, I can drag the metal point to point B. After that I will draw an arc of 7 centimeters. So let's say this is the arc 7 centimeter. So that means any point on this arc it's far from point B with 7 centimeter. Now I need another arc to know exactly where is the point C that is going to be far, yes, from B 7 centimeter, but in the meantime it's far from A with 8 centimeter. That means I need to repeat the same work with the compass, but this time I need to open it with 8 centimeter, not 7 centimeter. So I'm gonna bring it to the 0 and try to choose 8 centimeter, and I'm gonna do my best to choose the 8 centimeter. In this case, I can drag the metal point to A because it's far 8 centimeter from A, and I'm gonna draw another arc that it gonna meet with the first arc with this way. Since these two arcs are construction lines, so I can do something else. I can click on both of them and change the nature of this line to construction line instead of straight line. So now this is, for me, it's not something that it needs to be a straight line, it's only construction. But this one for sure, this line and B, it need to be straight as it was. So you can see that AB is straight line, but the two arcs are construction line. That means intersection point here of the two arcs is right away is point C, so I can mark that before I forget. I'm gonna write C. Now if I joint C, point C, with A and B with this way, and again point C to point B, it will give me the triangle ABC. Now as a check, I can use a ruler. So let's check AC. I hope it's gonna be 8 centimeter. Yes, 8 centimeter exactly. And let's say I want to check B. C, it should be 7 centimeter. Every time my work is exactly from the beginning, the opening of the compass, it's 7 centimeter exactly and 8 centimeter exactly, it's gonna give me right answer or right result. This is one option to use the Smart Notebook. There is another option called GeoGebra, but this one you need the online, so you can type here GeoGebra, and actually with GeoGebra it's gonna be a little bit faster than Smart Notebook. So I will show it to you. The best thing in GeoGebra that it's online application, so you don't have to download anything and you can use it at school at any time. So you click on Graphic Calculator. As soon as you reach the screen, you can close the calculator to have the graph, and actually you can drag the graph a little bit down to make it clear, and we can start our problem. We said we have AB again 6 centimeters, so I can ask for a segment, and in this case I can ask for segment with given lengths. So let's say I'm gonna choose this point as a start point, and it gives me the question, which lengths do you need? So for sure I'm gonna type 6 and click on OK. So that means AB is 6 centimeters, and if you see here it's starting from 2 to 8, that means it's right information, it's 6 centimeters. Now if I go back to the information, it's saying BC 7 centimeters. That means from B here I need an arc with 7 centimeters. In this case I don't have arc, but I have another option, which is circle. The circle, I can choose a circle with center and radius. I know that the center is point B and I know the radius is 7. I click OK. I will have a circle with 7 centimeter radius. And if I continue, I go back to the problem, it's saying CA 8 centimeters. So from A I'm gonna draw a circle with 8 centimeters as a radius. So again, center and radius, I'm gonna choose A and type 8 centimeters, enter. I will have the other circle. Actually, because these two circles are not for my drawing, they are only construction, so I can choose both of them and ask to change their nature to, again, construction line, and the other one to construction line. With this way I will have the intersection point, which C. So how to get this point? I can go to this option and ask for intersect. I choose this circle and this circle, it's gonna give me point C right away. Now I can join AC and BC, so I can go to segment with this way. I can join C with A, and I can join C with B. Now I need to see if my work is correct or not. I want to check if the segment CB is at 7 centimeter or not, and segment CA if it's 8 centimeter. With this way I can use this menu, distance, and I can check only this line. It's gonna give me 8 centimeter, and actually I can move this information to make it clear for me. And the same thing I'm gonna do it to check the distance of H. Again, if you see H is 7 centimeter, that means I'm doing a good job. And in the meantime, I can check from the beginning. I know that this segment is 6 centimeter. So with this way, I have a triangle AB 6 centimeter, BC 7 centimeter, and CA 8 centimeter. So I hope that you understood how we can use GeoGebra and how we can use Smart Notebook to construct this triangle. Thank you for listening.